whatever makes you happy. Whatever you want. You're so very special. I wish I was special.
Taken my love, you now desert me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me because you don't know what it means to me. You remember when this is blown over and everything's all by the way. When I grow older, I will be there at your side to remind you how I still love you. I still love love of my life, love of my life. Back, hurry back, please bring it back home to me because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, love of my life. You cry tonight. Give me your whisper and give me a sigh. Give me a kiss before you tell me goodbye. Don't you take it so hard now, and please don't take it so bad. I still be thinking of you and the times we've had, baby. And don't you cry tonight. Don't you cry tonight. And don't you cry tonight. There's a heaven above you, baby. And don't you cry tonight. Please remember that I never lied. Please remember how I felt inside now, honey. You gotta make it your own way, but you'll be alright.
maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood ng aking video. Lalong-lalo po doon sa mga kaibigan natin na OFW. Mag-iingat po kayo dyan at shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Shoutout din po sa ating kaibigang founder ng Rosemary YT Premier at sa kanyang co-founder Maris Matila. Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong dalawa at sa mga membro po ng ating Premier JC. Ayan. At sa lahat po sa lahat po ng mga nandiyan po sa loob, at enjoy lang po tayong lahat, at sa mga sumusuporta at nanonood sa ating video. Thank you po. Sa ngayon po, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Diliman, Quezon City, at medyo nagpa-receive lang po tayo ng mga dokumento, at ayan po, at hanggang dito na lamang po ang ating video, at maraming salamat po sa inyong. God bless po sa inyong lahat, at pagpalain po tayo ng Panginoon sa lahat ng oras. Bye bye po. Thank you po. Thank you po very much po.